In this lesson, you'll learn how to create a bend in sheet metal, explore height datum settings, and see how bend position affects the total length of your model. Begin by ensuring you are in the Sheet Metal tab, then click on Flange. We will stick with the edge flange settings for now, while we'll look at the important settings that appear after you select your edges or profiles. First, set the flange length to 100 mm. The height datum setting controls where the flange height is measured from. If you select outer faces, the height is measured from the intersection of the outer faces. The tangent to bend option measures the flange height tangent to the bend, and inner faces measures from the intersection of the inner faces. If you zoom in, you'll clearly see how these options affect the overall length of your sheet metal object. Next, the bend position controls where the bend is placed. Selecting outside bend positions the bend outside the boundary of the innermost faces of the base flange. Adjacent bend starts at the selected edge on the base flange, while tangent bend creates a bend that is tangent to the selected edge. Finally, inside bend positions the bend inside the boundary of the outermost faces of both the base flange and the new flange. Some of these settings may appear similar when the bend is set to 90 degrees, as shown in this video. If you're interested in seeing how these bends look with other angles, let me know in the comments. When inspecting different distances, you'll notice that changing the bend position from inside to outside naturally makes the base longer, while not impacting the length of the flange. Coming up in this playlist, we'll cover unfolded models, rectangular patterns, and more. Big thank you to everyone who has supported this small channel by subscribing. Your support means a lot.